Hello everyone, my name is Mutula Enoch and we are going to continue from where we ended, solving equation concerning alpha and beta roots. So we are proceeding to question 2, and question 2 reads, given that the roots of x squared plus 3x plus 17 is equals to 0. Alpha and beta respectively. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are x cubed, alpha cubed plus beta cubed and alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. So first thing, write the equation that you have been given. So we have been given the equation to be x squared plus 3x plus 17 is equals to 0. So what am I going to do? I have to abide to these identities that will help me to find summation of alpha and beta. So that is alpha plus beta is equals to negative. This is a coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x that is b, c that is the constant which is 17. So my b here that is positive 3. So it's going to be negative 3 over my a which is the coefficient of x squared that is 1. So you are getting alpha plus beta to be negative 3. And then from there, we have to find the product of alpha times beta. So alpha times beta is equals to c, which is the constant. So my constant that is 17 over the coefficient of x squared that is 1. So alpha beta is equals to 17. So from there, we have been given this equation that we have to abide to. So that is alpha cube plus beta cube. So this is an identity which is alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. So from there what I should do is that I have to simplify to find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. So is equals to alpha plus beta I have calculated to be negative what? Negative 3 cube minus 3. My alpha multiplied by beta is positive 17 multiplied by negative 3. So that is negative 27. Negative times negative, that is positive. And then from there, 9 times 3, that is 9 times what? 17. So from there, if you simplify everything there, you are going to get 1.6. So this value you have to keep it. And then from there, what I'm going to do is that I'm going also to find the original value for alpha over beta plus beta over what? Alpha. So my common denominator here, that is alpha beta. So beta into beta, I'm going to remain with alpha, that is alpha times alpha, that is alpha square plus alpha into alpha, that you are going to remain with the beta. So beta times beta, you are getting beta square. So the numerator here, this is an identity of alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta over what? Over alpha beta. So from there, what you're going to do is that you're going to replace to find the original values. So is equals to my alpha plus beta, that is negative 3. The one that I calculated to be negative 3 square minus 2 multiplied by what? Positive 17 over 17 there. So is equals to this. You simplify, you're going to get 9 minus that times that. So this times this is 14. That times that is 2 plus 1, 3. 4 over 17. So this times this is 14. You write 4 by 1. That times that is like this. So over 17. This is over 17. From there, that is negative 25 over what? 17. So now from there, what we're going to do is this. The question is saying we find the quadratic equation of alpha cube plus beta cube and the alpha over beta plus alpha whatever. So what we're going to do is that you have to abide to the original formula for finding what quadratic equation. Let me do this. So the original equation that I'm talking about is x squared minus sum of the roots. X plus products of the roots is equals to 0. So I have to find the sum of the roots. The sum of the root meaning I'm going to add the product. I'm going to add this variable with that one. That will be my what? Sum of the roots. So I'll say sum of the roots Sum of the roots. You are adding this value with this value that you have calculated. So it's 1.6 plus negative 25 over 17. So from there, positive times negative, that is negative 1.6 25 over 17. So from here over 1, my common denominator, that is 17. So 1 into 17 is 17. So from there, when you multiply 17 times 1 to you are going to get 21, 42 minus 17 into 17, that is 25. 1 times 6, 25. So after subtracting here, that is 21, 17 over 17. So that is my sum of the roots that I'm going to put there on my original equation. So from there, I have to find the product of the roots, multiplying these two variables. So product of the roots that is 1.6 times negative 25 over 17. So from there, if you multiply 1.6 times negative 25, what are you getting? So from there, if you multiply, you're going to get negative 31, 50 over what? 17. So now from there, since you have the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, it's very simple for us to find the final answer. So that is x squared minus, so sum of the roots, I'm going to get this value, which is 21, 17 over 17, x plus product of the roots, that is negative 31, 50 over 17 is equals to 0. So that is x squared minus 21, 19 over 17, x positive times negative, that is negative 31, 50 over 17 is equals to 0. So to leave it in the standard form, I have to multiply both sides by what? 17. So that times that I'm getting 17x squared. That will cancel with that. I'm going to remain with 21. 17x minus 31, 50 is equals to 0. So this is the final answer. So please, if you have found this video interesting, don't forget to like this video, also comment another thing, to subscribe so that whenever I post the new video or the content like this, you are able to follow. Thank you so much.